Alright, so King went to take Jezebel out this morning. He heard a little rattling. We got the heater on in here this morning. Heard a little rattling. He said, Bob, we got some rattling in the Jezebel. And then we checked it. There's a little thing in there we keep for the tool. And he started it, and he's like, it's rattling, Bob. I said, yeah, it is. My guess it was that thing. But he went and told his dad, and it seems to be something in that thing. So here we go. We call it emergency meeting on the motorcycle.
Put it onto the SD card. Well, you don't have to exactly transfer to the SD card. You have to download the videos, then do it, and then delete the videos, and then you can post it. Now, if you got the blower or not, paper.
There you go. Yes, I am.
You like that ice, Dad? But he liked that ice. What is on his face? Oh,
That is right there.
ice. What is a mask open? Dad, you're that.
It's not good if you have to break the chain and leave it shorter.
Emergency leave in the hole.
Can you just use one of those chains up there?
Merry Christmas. Four-wheelers down, two-wheelers down, sorry. Motorcycle, what they call them, new ones.
Happy New Year's to nobody.
Holy shit, nobody gets nothing. Go-kart's gotta be fixed.
Go-kart.
I keep calling it go-kart, Mike.
Motorbike.
Yeah. Mini bike, actually.
I'm still wearing my shorts under these.
Told him to get something warm, bro.
I
He
did.
broke this bitch out with his pole, gagged the fucking thing up, locked the rear end up, somehow. You didn't do it. I mean, I don't know. Who was the last one to ride it? Did it fuck up, Michael? You were the last one to ride it.
Yeah.
Did it fuck up on you when you were riding the other day?
No.
No, I'm just asking. Did something move? Did the motor move or something?
Got more power now, so it sparks like steam all the time and it's just check.
Oh, you can't go over that bitch too, did you?
He's got one what?
He's got more.
What'd you do? What did you do? I heard it's too
I was
good.
loose, and I think I was trying to take that one out, and it still was good.
It wouldn't even go, would it?
It's back on now. It wasn't on.
Oh.
It wasn't on. I just don't know how long it's gonna stay on.
Didn't you think the chain guard makes you go faster or without it on?
No, I thought that when I did, it's what I was on.
Yeah, that's why we took them off.
Who took them off?
Dad helped us take them off. With our little backward pedal lock brake.
Yeah, those were the tips, weren't they?
Those were good.
You can giggle and laugh about them.
Hey, you should lock the brakes up forever. You don't have to worry about putting brakes.
Yeah, you didn't have to worry about brakes, but no driving. It's too safe. We need y'all to get injured with it.
No, what it was.
God damn
You
it.
never had to fix it.
Yeah.
So I mean, why are we gonna tell you something you never got fixed?
I mean, it would wreck you. Let's not get that confused.
How?
You ain't never hit it fast enough. Like going down the hill.
You see what I did with the Adams light the first time I rode it?
That
The
motherfucker.
hand pedals are on there, the handbrakes are on there. Me, I tried to reverse.
It's like, what do they call it? Tank slapping? When you slide and your ass in, you slide like that way and it kicks you back over the other way.
Remember that, Dad? When the first time I rode an Adams bike, you were like, it got handbrakes on it. It got handbrakes on it. I'm going like maybe 10 miles an hour down the little pathway they have. I'm trying to reverse.
I'm great.
Hey, Mitt Romney, you know
I'm like,
how to
oh,
do that?
crap!
That's why you should listen and ask questions.
You know how to
And
do
when I
that?
ask questions, they're always stupid.
No, not in that scenario. When is the handbrake bad? I would have said, hey, look, this is the handbrake
I
monitor.
tried to put my hands on it, but my hands were too small.
Hey, Mitt Romney, you know
But
how
my
to do
hands
one
were
back?
bent.
What?
You know how to do one back? Yeah, so?
Was that all oil down there? Those dots and crap?
I was on
Maybe
there.
it's from that water.
Looks like he's got her back running. We'll find out in a second. Open the door. There you go. Let's see what. All right, looks like we got it
I
working.
can smell it. Can you?
Yeah, it sounds like it's working.
Smells like it's working.
15 minutes. Chain popped off, it looks like. I don't have no zoom. You're good, Mikey. I don't have no zoom anymore.
What happened to it?
I'm guessing years have fallen over.
Woo! That was a close one. Good?
You brought the breeze with you. You brought, when you come in, the breeze come in with it. It's gonna be cold.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Like, as soon as you start going right through the camp.
Are you biologically related to me? That's my brother. Like, we ain't got the same mother and same father, but that's my, yeah.